Hey superstar, I am so excited. I know it is literally midnight, but I don't care. I am excited about the fact that we officially have a whiteboard. I attempted to incorporate a whiteboard into our content last year, but it was a hot mess. But I think we're going to be able to do it this year successfully. Still working on some lighting, but hopefully we will get it together here in the next couple of days. And I just want to share a list of some of the benefits that adding a whiteboard to our content is going to improve and make a difference for all of us. One, content faster. I'll be able to put out great content for you a lot faster. Screenshots. It will be easier for you to take screenshots to be able to reference the content a lot faster as well. Longer form content. I will be able to share more in-depth, detailed content with you here on TikTok and on YouTube, longer form content there. Also, a clear message, making sure that I'm sharing content with you in a much more clear, precise way. And most importantly, bossy. I get to be more bossy. Boo! Yes. All right. I will see you soon. Me and the whiteboard.